back to my channel. Ngayon, nandito ako sa kusina kasi nagluluto ako para sa aming mukbang. At, ipakita ko sa inyo kung anong niluluto ko. Ito yung niluto ko na curry paste. Curry paste. Tapos, magluto ako ng vegetarian curry. Kaya nilagay ko spinach. Tapos, yung chupini at saka aubergine. Niluto ko na siya binig. Tapos, sweet potato at saka normal na potato. I-mix ko na dyan. Tapos ngayon, tingnan yung curry ko. Sarap ito, vegetarian. Tapos, lagyan ko siya ng spinach. Vegetarian man gusto niya eh. Tapos yung darling ko na ako mag-isa dito. Sabi ko, uwi ka ha kasi magmukbang tayo. Uwi siya maaga. Itong vegetarian gawa ko na curry, masarap siya sa non-bread. Pero, hindi ko na magluto ngayon. Tikman natin yung curry, no? Okay na ba? Diyos ko kalamit. Bebuyag. Sarap dito eh. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng chicken cubes. Tang lami apa buyak. Ito ng ating vegetarian curry. Kasi ito na naman lahat yan. Magawa na ako ng meatballs. I-conform ko na siya ng circle. Niluto ko na po ngayon ang aking meatballs. Tingnan nyo. At saka yung curry ko. Vegetarian curry. Luto na. Dami kong niluto ba para hindi ako magluto bukas sunod na araw. Ito yung kakainin namin sa aming mukbang. May munggo pa ako na may shrimp, tapos meatball, and I got some limpo here, tapos may cucumber salad, tapos yung darling ko, ginawan ko siya ng vegetarian curry, tapos yung rice namin black rice. Kaya kain! Hi everyone!
Hello there! We're back with another mukbang.
Yeah, today we'll do another mukbang. Pinakita ko na sa inyo yung kakainin na. Hindi na siya makapagantay pa kasi gutom na siya. Grabe. Ang dami kong niluto no kasi pangbukas na din yan. Kaya, kain!
Kain!
Kain guys!
Kain guys! Cheers!
Cheers! Wala, ang dami na aking rice. Ya, kunti lang.
Non-alcoholic beer.
Yeah. You just get your
With a flavor.
vegetarian curry.
Flavored beer.
Yeah.
Also a bit sweet.
Yeah. Magkamay ako, no? Kain. Tapos nito, mag-shoutout kami.
I love this black rice. I love this black rice. This is very tasty. It's a bit nutty.
Yeah.
And this is my all-time favorite. The curry, vegetarian curry. Let's get started.
Yummy, eh? No?
I love potato in a curry. Yeah,
Indian
way.
Yeah.
Although they also like to use potatoes in India. I should know because I've been there.
Oh, you've been to India?
And the food was gorgeous.
Lechon kawali.
Is this the peel of the lime?
Yeah, I just put it.
Okay, so I need to.
Don't say it.
No.
Kain. Yummy, no? Ayaw niyang lechon kawali.
But this time not from the oven.
No.
You just
Fried it.
you fried it. So which way of preparation do you prepare? This is a bit, right now it's a bit softer.
Yeah, very soft.
No?
Because I boiled it for 2 hours.
Mm.
May munggot ako, pero gusto niya vegetarian.
I would like to eat with my hands, but with the curry that's not really handy, right?
Mm. Okay.
Yeah, you can because you eat it with rice. Tomato?
Tomato.
Tomato? No.
Meatball. Hindi man namin maubos to. Ito meatball, gawin ko yan. Pasta meatball. Sarap.
I'll just finish this one. The Thai chili garlic paste.
Yeah,
Just a little bit left.
Mm.
And I like to eat it with this one, the meatball. Just to give it some extra spice. Garlic in the meatballs, right?
Yeah. I'm also garlic powder.
Mm.
I have a question.
Mm. Oh.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Where would you like to live if you got pension?
I would like to live in the Philippines.
Why?
I like it there.
Why do you like it
But
there?
not sure. Sometimes I'm doubting whether I would like to live in a like a bit crowded place, like Cebu,
Yeah.
or perhaps a bit rural, like Leyte.
Yeah, in Cebu.
Mm.
In Cebu, where we live is so crowded, no?
It's very crowded, but there's a lot to do.
Yeah, that's more advantage. They have a lot of restaurant there, bar,
No.
nearby.
And there's live bands, Mia.
Yeah, almost every day.
No?
Yeah,
Mm.
but of course not now.
Yeah. But it's also more expensive to live there. And if
No.
you would live in Leyte, I think it's much cheaper, right?
Yeah, a lot.
And it's quiet.
4 times cheaper.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mm.
This one really goes with
No.
the cucumber salad.
Yeah, this is all.
Cucumber salad, so good. The Thai, yung nirecommend Inday Garnet. Garnet recommend me that one.
No? Mm. Mm.
Do I always good food for you?
No.
You're not lying?
No, that is true. I could eat this whole pan of curry.
Huh?
Yeah.
I put potato and sweet potato.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah. One ko siya ng vegetarian curry no, nilagay ko yung sweet potato tsaka normal potato, tapos yung paste na ginamit ko yung nasa blanco din.
But this is more your kind of thing, huh? The pork belly.
Yeah, I eat, but not really
Well,
every day.
it's okay. I can eat it. It's a bit fatty.
But if you have vegetarian food, you prepare vegetarian, right?
Yeah.
Kaya.
I like vegetarian food. And meat is okay for me, but not every day. Maybe once or twice a week. That's fine for me.
Kawali no, or pag may meat ako dyan, kasi siya na kung gusto niya kasi prepare niya vegetarian. Pero kumakain naman siya ganyan. Lalo wala nang choice. May nagtatanong po na anong pangalan ng darling ko, no? Yung pangalan po niya is Saki, yung inumin ng sa Korea ba, Saki. Tapos ilang taon na po siya? You're 54, right? 54 na po siya. Kaya ngayon mag-shoutout na po kami. Oh, you read?
Okay. I need my glasses, unfortunately.
This one you get them.
Yeah. Okay. I'll just read it like this.
Busog na kami. Ay, busog ako.
Okay.
Shout out to...
Nah, I can't really read your...
You can read the way, right?
Nah. Jovita Davat.
Yeah.
Okay. Jovita Davat, shout out.
Sa anak niya.
Fatima Saim, shout out. Emiliana Lim, shout out. Richie Sahagun, hi Jojo, shout out. Josie Gara, shout out. Sahani.
Yeah, Paul from Netherlands. Thank you for watching.
Desiree Jabonete, shout out. Lika Arceo from Paranaki, shout out. And Chinlin Cabral, shout out. Thank you for watching. We forgot some here.
Yeah, I already read it.
Yeah, you did. Ninja Paul.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. And sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aming mukbang at shoutout today. And if you do, please like, share,
and subscribe.
to see our next video. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Bye.
Bye. See you next time. Bye bye.